With that done, what you're going to want to do is fire the car up and check for any leaks. I don't want to do that in the air. Some people might do that. I'm not going to. But make sure that you don't have any leaks coming out from any of your connections that you've made. The car may stumble a little bit at first when you first fire it up because you've got fuel that's still being pumped through the hoses and through your fuel filter that needs to be refilled. So it may stutter a little bit, so if it does, don't worry. When it charges the system, it may not stutter at all. So just something to call out. All right, so take your car off the jacks, fire it up, make sure it runs, and you're good to go. Back in after successfully starting the car, and it ran just fine after changing the fuel filter. Just let's review a couple of things really quickly. Number one, all the cautions about jacking your car up. I'm serious about that. Don't put your life on the line for a $200 or $300, even $1,000 jack. It's not worth it. Also, the trick of pulling the fuse on your fuel pump, you can look at your owner's manual, you can look at the little card that slides out by your fuse panels, you lower your glove box and drop that little panel and you see your fuses. Pull the right fuse for your fuel pump and then start the car. It'll run just for a second or two, sputter and stop because it'll burn up all the fuel. That'll take care of most of the fuel in the lines and you have a lot less to spill that way. If you don't, again, you're going to be dealing with high pressure fuel lines at that point. You're going to blow gas all over the place. It's not safe, it's not healthy, don't do it. All in all, not that hard. A few bolts, that cover comes off, a few hose clamps that you definitely should replace, and all the parts and things you're going to need I'll have listed in the description below. But as you can see, this is something you can do yourself, and the labor on this is fairly high if you take it to the shop by comparison to what it takes to do. So if you have the basic tools to get the work done, this is something you can absolutely do at home and save yourself that time and effort.